we're going to find the rational roots, all the rational roots of the equation p of x equals 6x to the fourth minus 17x cubed plus 8x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Kaduksong to ng mga videos ko about rational root theorem. And kung hindi din alam yung theorem na yon, ang itetesting lang natin sa synthetic division ay plus minus 1 at plus minus 2. Pero dahil sa rational root theorem, magkakaroon tayo ng set ng lahat ng possible rational roots kahit kasama yung mga fractions. Okay? So let's solve this. Let's start by stating by the rational root theorem. Okay, the possible zeros of the equation are, okay, so pwede nyo bisatahin yung definition ng rational root theorem, but for this kaya natin kuhanin yung lahat ng pwede sa P over Q. But first, ilista mo natin lahat ng pwede sa P. Ang P, we're going to get the factors na pwede kay P doon sa dulo, sa constant term, plus 2. So we have plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. These are the possible, all the possible factors of 2. So that's for P. And for Q, ito is a 6. So we have plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and plus minus 6. And then we get the ratio. So P over Q, so let's have plus minus 1, plus minus 1, plus minus 1 over this, we have plus minus 1/2, plus minus 1 over this, so you have plus minus 1/3, plus minus 1 over 6, plus minus 1 over 6, then 2 over 1, plus minus 2, then 2 over 2, plus minus 1, wag yun na isulat, 2 over 3, so you have plus minus 2 over 3, and then plus minus 2 over 6, plus minus 2 over 6. Okay. We're going to use synthetic division para malaman alin sa mga, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2, 14 ang root or roots ng equation na to. Actually, pwede mo i-try yung synthetic division. Pero, madami pang ibang theorem about getting the roots of an equation na pwede pa natin mapasimplify or masimplify itong list natin. We can narrow this down. Okay? Meron pang Descartes' rule of sign, theorem about the bounds of the roots. Okay? And but for this, let's pick one and then let's hope na tumama. Okay, yung synthetic division. Okay, I'll try minus 1. Minus 1. So this will become 6, negative 17, 8, 5, and then negative 2. So synthetic divisions, we have 6. 6 times negative 1, we have negative 6. And this will become negative, what's this? Negative 23. And this will become positive 23. And this will become very, very large. As this 31 and then negative 31. No, let's stop. So, kapag kita mo na hindi siya mag-0, stop mo na. Let's try 1. So, I have 6, negative 17, 8, 5, negative 2. I'll just put a stop over here. Stop. Kasi hindi na siya magiging 0 sa dulo. So you have 6, bring down 6, 6 times 1, we have 6. So it will become negative 11. And then we have negative 11. Negative 11 plus 3, we have negative 3. Negative 3 plus times 1, negative 3. This is 2 times 2, we have 2, and we have 0. So 1 is a root. So, okay tayo sa 1. Let's try 1/2. Let's try 1/2. Okay, we have 6. 6 times 1/2 is 3. 3 plus negative 11 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 1/2 is negative 4. This will become negative 7. The negative 7 will become, what was this? Negative 7 over 2. So, yeah, stop again. So, hindi pwede si negative 1/2. Let's try negative 1/2. Let's try negative 1/2. So, i-delete ko na lang tong part na to. Sorry, but hindi ko delete yung line. Let's try negative 1/2. So, we have 6. 6 times negative 1/2. Negative 3. This is negative 14. Times negative 1/2, we have positive 7. This will become 4 times negative 1/2. We have negative 2, and then that's 0. Okay, so ano yung mga nakuha na natin? Lista lang natin dito. Yung mga nakuha natin. So the roots are, ano yung mga nakuha na natin? We found out that 1 is a 0, and then nakuha din natin si 1/2, and then let's try to look for other. Okay, so we have 6, negative 14, and then 4. Actually, pwede ka nang maganda dito. Let's call this. You can factor this. Kasi quadratic na lang to eh. Well, let me try. Try natin isa pang fraction. Let's try 1/3. Let's try 1/3. So, we have 6. 6 times 1/3 is 2. This is what's this? Negative 12. Then negative 12 times negative 1/3 is negative 4. Yeah. So, yan. The other one is 1/3. The other one is 1/3. And then we're left with this. 6x minus 12 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 12. Divide everything by 6. And then x is equal to 2. And there you go. Ito na yung mga roots ng ating equation. So, degree niya 4. 4 na yung nakuha natin. And, yeah.